Hello viewers, welcome to RINIKE show. I am Akusua Mr. Sewa. This program is specially designed to educate you and inform you about relevant life issues. I am live on YouTube channel Ashtown TV and our Facebook page Ashtown TV. You can watch me this and every Tuesday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Today, we are going to talk about 8 signs that he only loves your body and not you. Number 1, he only compliments your looks. He's always into your body, telling you how good looking you are, how sexy you are, how sweet you are looking, without looking at your other attributes like your intelligence, your smartness, or your kindness. Then be warned, he's only interested in your body. Number 2, poor communication. I'm not talking about a guy who doesn't love to talk much, but I'm talking about a guy who calls you only when he feels like having sex. Only when he feels like, meet me here and let's have sex. You should know that he's into you, the relationship for your body. Number 3, every conversation turns sexual. If any conversation that you have ends up in a sexual matter, then you should be warned. Even when you are talking about things that happen in your workplace or things that has happened to you, he says, so it's because they want to beg you, it's because you are sexy. Everything, even if it's football, it turns sexual. He's not interested in other aspects of your lifestyle, like your joy, your sorrows. He doesn't want to know anything more about you. Apart from your sexual life, you should know that he's only in for your body. Number 4, days are always at home. If he always calls you to meet him at secret places, like his home or your place, you should know that he's only in for your body. He doesn't want to take you to public places for people to see you. He always wants you to meet him at secret places where it ends up in sex. You should know that he's only interested in your body. Number 5, he doesn't call you his girlfriend. If a guy introduces you to his friends, like, hey guys, meet Akusua, meet my friends, without telling you the relationship status you guys have, then you should know that he's only interested in your body. It's either he feels shy for people to see that you are his girlfriend, or he's not serious about the relationship. So you should be warned. Number 6, friends versus girlfriends. If your guy chooses to be with his friends than you, then you should know that he's only in for your body. A guy who truly loves you and is even a socialite will love to take you along when he can't avoid his social lifestyle. But hey, this guy, even though he's with you, he finds an excuse to leave you in order to spend time with his friends. You should know that he's only in for your body. Number 7, affection is only physical. Hey, he only has only physical affection for you. Your relationship is all touchy-touchy, all smooching. He doesn't have any emotional feeling for you. You doesn't see any love in his eyes. You doesn't feel any love in his speeches. He's always touching. Then you should know he's only in for your body. Number 8, you don't know his friends or his relatives. I know a guy wouldn't introduce you to his family or friends at the early stages of the relationship. But you've been with him for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and still you don't know any of his friends, you don't know any of his relatives. My dear, ask yourself, are you dating a ghost or a human being? If even you are with him and you see his friends coming, he will still ask you to stand afar. You should know that he's only in for your body. He feels shy to introduce you to his family. So ask yourself, where is this relationship taking you to? These are the 8 signs that shows that your relationship is heading nowhere. So quit before you end up with tears. You can watch me this and every Tuesday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.